Welcome. Today, we're diving into how to set your profile photo on X, formerly known as Twitter, using your PC. With this new update, changing your profile picture is easier than ever. Let's get started. First, open Twitter in your browser and log into your account. If you're already logged in, great. Just move on to the next step. Next, locate your profile icon in the sidebar on the left. It's usually at the top, so just give that a click. This will take you to your profile settings. Now, look for the option that says Edit Profile. Click on it to access the editing tools for your account. This is where the magic happens. Once you're in the edit mode, you'll see your current profile picture. Click on it to change your image. This will prompt a new window to open. Here, click on Upload a new image. You'll be able to choose a photo from your computer. Make sure it's a picture you love. After selecting your new image, click Open to upload it. You'll see a preview of how it looks on your profile. Finally, confirm your choice by clicking the Save button. And just like that, your new profile picture is set. Thanks for watching. Now you know how to easily update your profile photo on X. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.